everybody, it's Nazar with Nazarasfinecrafts, and today I'm going to basically do a redo of the double crochet wrap stitch because the last video I did, the yarn was pretty dark in it, so a lot of people were messaging me and leaving comments that it was just too dark. So I'm going to do it this nice beautiful gold color. Hopefully you can see it better. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get into it. So first off, you're going to chain an odd number of chains. So I'm going to go ahead and chain 15. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so I've got 15 on my chain here. And what I'm going to do is you need to make a base chain. So you can do single crochets, double crochets, half double crochets, whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and do half double crochet, and I'm going to do it in the third stitch from the end all the way across. So I'll see you there. Alright, so at the end of it, I've got 14 half double crochets, so it should have gone from an odd number chain to an even number base stitch. Now we're going to start our double crochet wrap row. So we're going to chain 2, turn our work. We're going to double crochet here in this very first stitch, just a regular double crochet. And then what we're going to do is we're going to skip this stitch and go into the next one and do just a regular double crochet again. Now here's the wrap part. So what we're going to do is we're going to yarn over our hook. We're going to go in between these two double crochets in this big gap here. We're going to go back behind it. We're going to yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We're going to skip the next stitch and we're going to go into the next with a regular double crochet, and once again we're going to go in this big gap. So yarn over, go behind the double crochet, go through and behind, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We're going to skip one and we're going to double crochet, and we're going to do the wraps double crochet again, between, behind, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's the repetition that we're going to do across. So skip one, double crochet, and then double crochet wrap. Skip one, double crochet, and then double crochet wrap. So now we have 1, 2, 3 stitches left. We're going to skip one, we're going to double crochet here, and instead of doing a wrap, we're going to do exactly like we did on the other end. We're just going to go ahead and double crochet in that top chain to create 2 normal double crochets at the top ends. So you got your chain and your normal double crochet, you got your 2 normal double crochets, and we have 5 double crochet wraps in between. And if you see, the ones that we skipped are covered by that wrap, because the double crochet and then the double crochet wrap creates 2 chains. So let's go into the next row. We're going to chain 2 again, turn our work, we're going to double crochet right above that previous double crochet, and now we're in the wrap stitch. So you're always going to skip this first one and go into the second one with a regular double crochet, and then we're going to do a wrap. Skip, double crochet, and then double crochet wrap. skip, double crochet, double crochet wrap, skip, double crochet, double crochet wrap, skip, double crochet, double crochet wrap, and then in this row we are not going to skip one, we're just going to double crochet normally in these last last two. So if you feel like you might be making a mistake, just go back and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So the second row is kind of slanted because you have that non-skipped gap right there. But yeah, it's going to be a little bit slanted, that's fine, but as long as you have the 14 count at the top, you're good. Or the same number count that you're using, mine's 14. So for the next row we're going to chain 2, turn our work, double crochet in this first one, we're going to skip, double crochet, double crochet wrap, skip 1, 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 double crochet, double crochet wrap, and then we're not skipping one again. We're just going to go ahead and do a double crochet and another double crochet in the next two. So I will always have 5 double crochet wraps and 2 on each end throughout. And if you notice that the wrap is going this way on this row, this way on that row, this way on that row. So that's the stitch. You just repeat that all the way through till you're finished with your pattern. And I hope you like this tutorial. Just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. And we'll see you guys later. Bye!